Benefits of turmeric for skin. Here are the top skin benefits of turmeric that you must know. 1. Cures acne. Whether you are worried about acne breakouts or the resulting scars, turmeric is the right solution for all acne-related problems. Turmeric also has natural oil-controlling properties, which help reduce acne breakouts. 2. Controls oily skin. Having oily skin can be a nightmare. Excess oil on the outer skin layer often leads to whiteheads, blackheads, blind pimples and other skin irritations. To solve the problem of oily skin, turmeric is very beneficial. 3. Protects against sun damage. Exposure to harmful ultraviolet sun rays can cause serious damage to the skin. Sun damage can make your skin look dark and dull. Due to its skin-lightening and anti-aging properties, turmeric helps keep your skin protected from sun damage. 4. Heals wounds. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of turmeric work together to heal wounds. Its antiseptic nature also reduces the risk of infections. The curcumin in turmeric improves wound healing by modulating collagen and decreasing reactive oxygen species. 5. Delays signs of skin aging. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants that help protect your skin against free radical damage. This, in turn, slows down the signs of aging like dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. Not only does it reduce the risk of many of age-related diseases, it also improves one's skin condition because of its powerful anti-inflammatory properties.